Hello and welcome to How to Play Aggravation,
presented by GatherTogetherGames.com.
This video will cover how to play the board game Aggravation. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 6 players. To play, you will need the Aggravation board game. Each player will place their 4 marbles into their matching color base. Each player will roll the die. The player that rolled the highest number is the first to take a turn in gameplay. The object of the game is to be the first player to move all 4 of your marbles around the board from your base to your home. Marbles will move around the board based on the number rolled on the die during your turn. Yellow rolled the highest number during the setup and will play first in this game. A 1 or 6 needs to be rolled in order to move a marble out of the base and into the start space. Anytime a 6 is rolled, the player will get an extra turn. Once a marble is in the start space, it can be moved clockwise left around the board based on the number shown on the die roll made. Players will continue to take turns rolling the die and moving when possible. When moving a marble, the player will count each space whether it is empty or occupied by an opponent. A player can jump over opponent's marbles. When a player lands on an opponent's marble by exact count, the opponent's marble is aggravated. An aggravated marble is returned to their base row. A player cannot land on or jump their own marble. Here, white is not able to move the marble in the start space because there is another white marble that cannot be jumped. A marble will follow the blue line clockwise around the board when moving unless a shortcut can be taken. When a marble lands into a star space by exact count, it can be moved clockwise around the star spaces on the player's next turn. A player can exit the star spaces onto the blue path at any point. A marble can move into the center space by exact count for a super shortcut. A player can only exit the center space by rolling a 1. A marble can exit the center space to any star space. Marbles can still be aggravated when in a star space or the center space.
When a marble moves into its home row, it is safe from being aggravated. Marbles must fill the home area by exact count. A player still cannot jump their own marbles in their home area. If a player is unable to make a legal marble move, their turn is over without moving. The first player to get all 4 of their marbles into their home row wins the game.
That wraps up How to Play Aggravation.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.